A Guide to Fidelity 529 Plan. The Fidelity 529 Plan is a tax-advantaged savings plan designed to help families save for higher education expenses. It is a popular option for those looking to save for college, as it offers a range of investment options and tax benefits. To get started with a Fidelity 529 plan, it is essential to understand the key concepts and benefits. The plan allows contributions of up to a certain amount per year, and the funds can be used to pay for qualified education expenses such as tuition, fees, and room and board. One of the most significant benefits of the Fidelity 529 plan is its tax advantages. Contributions to the plan are not subject to federal income tax, and the earnings on the investments grow tax-free. Additionally, withdrawals from the plan are tax-free if used for qualified education expenses. When investing in a Fidelity 529 plan, it is crucial to choose the right investment options. The plan offers a range of investment portfolios, including age-based portfolios, static portfolios, and individual portfolios. Age-based portfolios automatically adjust the asset allocation based on the beneficiary's age, while static portfolios have a fixed asset allocation. Individual portfolios allow investors to choose from a range of individual funds. It is also essential to consider the fees associated with the Fidelity 529 plan. The plan charges a management fee, which varies depending on the investment option chosen. Additionally, there may be other fees such as administrative fees and maintenance fees. To maximize the benefits of a Fidelity 529 plan, it is recommended to start saving early and contribute regularly. It is also essential to review and adjust the investment portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with the beneficiary's education goals. In conclusion, the Fidelity 529 plan is a valuable tool for families looking to save for higher education expenses. By understanding the key concepts, benefits, and investment options, families can make informed decisions and maximize the benefits of the plan. With its tax advantages, range of investment options, and flexibility, the Fidelity 529 plan is an excellent choice for those looking to save for college.